Next Wave CNC is celebrating our 15th anniversary of building America's #1 CNC Shark, and we want to share our excitement with you. This month, purchase any Shark HD Series CNC from our website at nextwavecnc.com and we will ship it to you for free. That's right, free shipping. Remember, Shark CNCs now come with our industry-leading 2-year warranty. And also, as part of the celebration, you can save 15% off on any Shark CNC accessory for the entire month of September. That includes lasers, dust boots, touch plate, 4th axis, shark cages, or any of the other great Next Wave CNC accessories that allow you to expand your creativity and work more efficiently. These offers are good through the end of September 2021 only, so take advantage of these savings now. Visit any of our retailers nationwide or visit us at nextwavecnc.com. Shark CNC and Accessories. World class, made in USA.